Okay, hello Tuti, ciao Tuti, hello everyone. Today is I have these artichokes from the market because I could not resist while I'm waiting for my artichokes to get ready. So I'm going to cook them with fish. This is lovely fillet of sea bream. But before we can do that, we are going to clean this. It's a little bit of maneuver things we have to maneuver. I call it maneuver because can you see those very nasty about yes, really spiky, not very friendly. So we just have to be careful when handling it. So I'm starting removing the outer tough leaves, avoiding my fingers not to hit that very sharp spikes. Tim says spine. Spino in Italiano. Speaking too many languages, sometimes I'm a little bit confused. Oh, look at that. So much on artichokes, but they're so lovely. So yummy. Let me just cut that. And I'm saving some of the legs because they are still good. But you have to remove these outer, I don't know, it's not skin. Bark, maybe. Bark is probably the right terminology for it. And now I'm also removing the outer tough leaves by using sharp knife and tidy up around it. You have to work a little bit faster because if you don't, then it starts getting dark, then it's not very pretty anymore. So that is basically done already, actually. So it doesn't take much time to clean it. Actually, look at that; it's gorgeous. And and for this recipe, I'm going to cut it that there. But I'm saving it for my brodo, and now I'm cutting it half again. And this artichoke actually is a little bit old because too much hair. The heart is very hairy. Oh, haha! Look, the very fibrous. Got rid of it and fibrous. Yeah, this is yeah. Look at that closer. That's the fiber. Look at that. This is old. My own artichokes, the one I grow, it'll never ever reach this point because I pick them as soon as it reaches the right size, and it's really really tender and it's really delicious. But I couldn't wait. I have to do something for my lunch today, which I'm going to cook them all in the oven with potatoes. So I need to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on water here so I can put the artichokes already been cleaned into the water, acidulated water, I might call it. And also, little tip here is you have to put some lemon juice on your hands. So if you don't do that, then your hand is gonna get brown and stain. If you they grow really well. Cut that. Oops. There's so many ways of cooking artichokes, but cleaning is only one way. So I'm going to remove this from the bowl now and put everything on the cutting board. That's a bit hard. Remove that. So that's the clean. So I'm cutting this into thin, like that is the one I want. Maybe thinner. It's like thinner than quarter an inch. So because the idea is it will cook at the same time with the fish. But this I don't mind. Artichoke, it's okay if it's not cooked all the way through because you can even eat this raw, which is lovely and fantastic eating it raw with Parmesan cheese. But this particular artichoke, I would not eat it raw because it's a little bit tough. Stay tuned for my another artichoke episode when my artichokes are ready. I'm ready to do the fish now after the artichokes. I have it filleted already. I'm just coring it. So the idea of this and all the seasoning goes into the fish. So oh, that's everybody's book. So I'm just going to season it with salt, pepper, of course. One side, only one side with pepper and salt. And now I'm ready to assemble it. So I've got aluminum foil here, aluminium, you know, so many ways of saying it too. So here it is. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in. I'm making a little bit, I'm making a parcel here. And then I put the artichoke underneath the fish. And also salting. I'm also adding seasoning, pepper, beans. You have to adjust. And then this fresh, fresh thyme is just the one I'm going to use because they're so fresh. I just picked them from the garden, just in time. And now we are going to put lemon underneath. I'm putting them underneath. We can remove it later if we do. Yeah, slices, thinly slice of lemon. And then you put the fish in, fish, and another drizzle of olive oil. It's pouches. And yeah, this is like oven, double oven. And I hope you don't stick. Now I've got one more to do, okay? Because course. And now I'm going to do the potato. Okay? Well, because this particular dish is everything cooked in the oven as a one dish. That's why I'm putting potatoes. It's again because I want to cook this at the same time with the fish. And I'm just going to put this in a bowl. Oops. And put some seasoning, salt and pepper, and rosemary. No rosemary. I can put it there. And olive oil, about that, about teaspoon there, and then just use your hand and let the potato coat with olive oil and all the seasoning. And let me move over here closer to the oven. So that's what I meant to say is put the potato here. That's all gonna cook in one go. More rosemary. We can never go wrong with rosemary. Garlic. Okay, this going to the oven for 20, 15 to 20 minutes. I will check on after 15 minutes. So 200 centigrade. Okay, just coming out from the oven. Here is the fish. Let me see what's inside the foil, inside the parcel. And it's what a surprisingly beautiful looking dish. And I think we can move it to the plate so we can enjoy it. I can enjoy it now, and you should enjoy it trying it at home. Mm, okay, just slide it from the foil to the plate, and your dinner is ready, all in one. And let me put some potatoes as well. If you want to have salad, will be great as well to go with this lovely, lovely dish. Oh, and there it is. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for my next video. And enjoy this beautiful and delicious